Hi, good morning, friends. If you're running short on power, maybe for a more sporty and adventurous ride, you may wish to try new Yoshimura A2 Slip-On, which has been specially designed for KTM 390 Adventure. Yoshimura is a world-famous company which has been producing performance exhaust systems for every kind of track racing motorcycle, including the adventure and motocross bikes. What you see here is a Yoshimura exhaust on a KTM RC390. This bike is built up as a practice bike for a superbike track racing rider. No doubt, the exhaust is a bit loud but does provide a positive boost on power. Just to see its performance, we tried to compare with the KTM 390 Adventure, knowing well that it is not an exact comparison. However, I can say that KTM RC390 was much faster. The interesting part which I wish to highlight is that company claims to gain extra amount of power and the figures shown looks impressive. The Yoshimura Performance Exhaust System for KTM 390 Adventure was released in 2020 and is known as A2 Slip-On. This exhaust has a new styling with an all-new matte carbon fiber end cap and the heel guard. The exhaust system is also a bit lighter as claimed. For more details and installation, one can contact Motorpit Garage. Jai Hind and ride safe.